Good day, Cookery class. We are now on our week 3 of our quarter 4, and our objective for this module is prepare desserts and, of course, identify ingredients for desserts. There are wide variety of ingredients that may be used in the preparations and cooking of cold and hot desserts. Some of the most common ingredients include we have what we call the ingredients needed in preparing desserts and sweet sauces. We have sugar. Sugar is the common element linking virtually in all desserts is sugar. It may be used to sprinkle over fruit, beaten into egg yolks for custard or into whites for a meringue. Many desserts use sugar syrup, which involves boiling sugar and water to the desired temperature. Then we have gelatin. Gelatin is used to set many cold molded desserts. It is the basis for jellies and is also used to set creams and mousses. Then we have egg yolks. Egg yolks may be mixed with flavorings, sugar and cream or milk to make custard, or they may be whisked together over hot water to create a cebayon. Egg whites. When raw egg whites are beaten, air is trapped in the mixture in the form of bubbles. Egg whites beaten to soft peaks will support souffles and mousses, while whites beaten to firm peaks are suitable for meringues. Then we have fruit. Ripe, perfect fruit provides the basis for many desserts, with very little effort needed to make an attractive, colorful display. Fruit may be pureed, baked, or poached and can then be used for pies, souffles, and puddings. Then we have cream. This ingredient is often used as a decoration or accompaniment for both cold and hot desserts, but may also be used as one of the recipe ingredients. Whipped cream may also be used as an effective layer for truffle. Cream may be combined with rice, sugar, and milk to make a delicious rice pudding. Next, we have batters. This simple mixture of flour and water is used to make crepes and pancakes. Batter is also used to coat fruit for fritters. Nuts. Nuts are available whole ground, roasted, or caramelized. They are an important part of dessert cookery as they provide flavor for creams and ice creams. Then we have chocolate. Chocolate may be melted to easily blend into fillings and batters. It can also be poured over desserts such as cakes and puddings. When melted, chocolate is cooled. It can be shaped and molded into many attractive decorations. What are the quality or points to look for when selecting desserts ingredients? When we are selecting sugar, granulated sugar is used in most recipes. Caster sugar is best for meringue and some cakes because it dissolves more easily. Confectioner sugar or icing sugar is used mostly for dusting the tops of desserts. And brown sugar is commonly used in hot sauce as it produces a lovely rich caramel flavor. In gelatin, many desserts are prepared using commercial leaf or powdered gelatin. Gelatins may be plain or flavored and colored for effect. For egg yolks, take eggs out of the refrigerator prior to use so they are at a room temperature. This way, they will whisk out better and incorporate more air. Egg whites. Egg whites should be fresh and A-grade quality. They may be purchased in bulk, frozen, or you may freeze them in small quantities if you have excess. If egg white have not been If egg whites have not been cleanly divided and contain traces of yolk, they will not whip up to satisfactory foam. A pinch of salt helps the whites to whip up better. Then cream. The characteristics of cream will differ according to whether it is pure cream, double cream, reduced cream, or cream that has had a stabilizer, or gelatin added to it to make the texture seem thicker and to improve the whipping qualities. Creams vary in taste and textures, so choose according to recipe specifications. Used only pasteurized cream. Pay particular attention to use by dates. Batters. Batters should be made up from the fresh ingredients. Batter is often rested at room temperature after it is made to reduce its elasticity so that it flows more freely over the pan. Batters can be flavored with vanilla and other spices. Nuts. Nuts may be purchased natural or blanched. Freshness is always important. Keep nuts well wrapped and store in refrigerator to prevent the oils in the nuts becoming rancid. If you require toasted nuts, toast them yourself to ensure the nuts are fresh in the first place. And the last one, we have the chocolate. Chocolate is available in various types, namely bittersweet, semi-sweet, white, dark, and milk chocolate. Milk and white chocolate, because of their milk content, are more difficult to work with than dark chocolate. So after you have been read and understand of our topic, you need to answer our activities. And for the activity 1, which is the word search, you need to look for the term being described. Write the answer in the space provided before each number, and encircle the word that correspond to your answer. Your answers or the words may appear horizontally or vertically. And for the activity 2, you need to identify the most common ingredients used in the listed desserts. And for your check your understanding directions, you need to write at least 2 quality points to look for when selecting dessert using the selected ingredients. And also, you need to answer the post test. For the post test, write true if the statement is correct and false if it is incorrect. And lastly, for the reflection, put inside the bowl the ingredients of the dessert you've already prepared and write the procedures in preparing it. Okay, so that would be the content of our week 3, quarter 4 modules, and all your answers should be submitted to your respected subject teachers via Facebook or Messenger or any platform that your teachers given to you.